All right, I'm up. I'm up. Oh.
Does my hair look like a giant mushroom right now? I literally look like a mushroom.
Curious to see what the weather's like.
Now let's eat some breakfast and I'll show you how to make some awesome pancakes. I thought I'd cover up my crazy hair for you. What you're gonna need here, you're gonna need some chocolate protein or vanilla protein or strawberry, whatever kind of pancake you want to make. I like chocolate, so chocolate protein. You need some of these quick oats. Need some eggs, syrup, a bowl. So what you're gonna do, put some oats in here, about half a cup. Fill with a little bit of water so that everything starts to float a little bit. That's a good amount of water. Yeah. If you're in an RV, you're gonna start your generator. Wait till your microwave kicks on. Open your microwave. Put your oats and water in there. And I usually do about 2 minutes. I'm using this because it's the perfect size of a pancake. Then you take your oats out of the microwave. So your oats look like that. You're gonna grab your protein powder. And I usually do 2 scoops, which is right around 40 grams of protein. And you're gonna crack 2 eggs in there. And then you mix it up. But that's kind of the texture you're going for right there. Now your pan, or in my instance, pot, is preheated. I've got a little bit of olive oil spray. Spray in there. And then dump a pancake size into your pot or pan. And then give it about 2 minutes. And flip it over. And then you do this. Look at that. You can add butter. You can add anything that you want. And it tastes like a pancake. Like a chocolate pancake. It's just amazing. Oh, and I also need your help. After we go explore that way, we're coming back this way. And I need your guys' help on how to fish a river or a stream. Where do you fish? What do you use? And I want to show you an example. I'm going to throw my line in there anyways, even though I don't know what to do. But I want you guys to comment and show me how you would fish that river or stream. Ooh, she's a gloomy day today, that's for sure. And I found snow. So if I keep going, there's probably like a 20% chance I may get stuck, even with 4-wheel drive. That's some pretty deep snow over there. So maybe I could just pull in here and then walk down. I'm confused though, why are all the trees cut down? Was this because of a fire? Can you comment in the section below if you know what's going on? Because they're all the way around. This kind of landscape with like the trees and the rock, this is probably my favorite. My favorite landscape out of all of the landscapes. And like today, you know, it's not raining too bad, which is awesome. And you've got like the fog rolling in and just creating a very, just a very mysterious, beautiful West Coast feel. And that's probably my favorite feel ever. Whenever it's like this, I just feel like I'm in a movie. And I know I refer to movies a lot, but my whole life, all I want to do is just be in a movie. Like live the life that's in movies, you know? And I feel like right now, in a movie, some guy would be doing this exact thing, and so I love that. There's quite a few comments that I get about if I'm lonely or not. Like a lot of people saying, oh, I couldn't do that, I'd go crazy, I'd be so alone. By the way, I'm gonna do a Q&A soon-ish. But like I said before, I don't really get lonely. I just like hanging out with myself. I could do this all day long. I just love exploring and being by myself. The problem is though, if you always need to be around people to be happy, then you're putting your happiness kind of in somebody else's hands, you know? He's planting trees, so he's replanting trees in this area. How cool is that, hey? And those are his trees right there. I've heard of tree planters before, but I've never actually seen one working. Yeah, he's just ripping around. Cool. So we are going to the second destination today, and I wanted to do some fishing in a river. I've never fished in a river before, so I'm going to Stamp River is what it's called. And my question to you guys was, how do I fish a river? Like, what are some tips and tricks to fishing a river? And right before I filmed this, I actually went into town and I went to a store called Gone Fishing here in Port Alberni, and I talked to a lovely lady who kind of explained it to me, so it's a bit of a loaded question, but I'd still love to hear from you. Also, I went in yesterday or 2 days ago before my last vlog, and I gotta get a big shout out to her. She has explained so many things to me, and very patient. She's very thorough. She explains. She's basically the reason that I caught that many fish the last vlog. And so I got to get a big shout out to her. Her name is Shawna, and she does these amazing paintings of fish, and she actually gave me her Instagram, and she had a couple in the store, and they are phenomenal. So guys, I'm gonna link her Instagram in the description below. Go check it out if you're interested in paintings. They really are amazing. And Shawna, I know you'll be watching this, just a huge thank you to kind of helping us beginners learn how to fish and really enjoy it. And it looks like I'm back in Jurassic Park, so gotta love the scenery here on Vancouver Island. You've gotta love it. So guys, for example, the question is, where do you fish on a river? And I hear that you fish like in pools and the fish hide behind things. So just for example, where on this river would you fish? This would be a pretty good area? Question mark? Because that's about the only area I can get to right now. Maybe over there, that's a little pool. Maybe further down. Comment in the section below what you think I should do. What about over here? Where would you fish over here? In this little pool? Would you kind of go over by like the rapids a little bit? Well guys, I'm gonna keep fishing. If I catch a fish, it'll be right here. If I did not catch a fish, or if it was not showing right there, then I didn't catch a fish, sadly. But I had a great day. Hope that you guys enjoyed it. Hope that you felt like you were here. I always love when you guys comment and say, you know, I felt like I was there. I absolutely love that. So enjoy the rest of your day, my friends. Do me a favor, keep living that dream, and bye-bye.